Want a second Temu account without getting flagged? Let's dive into how to create a new Temu account safely on the same device. First, let's clarify something important. Temu's terms of service typically discourage having multiple accounts, so proceed with caution and understand the potential risks, like account restrictions. Before creating a new account, open your phone settings to begin the process. Now scroll down and locate the Apps or Applications Manager section and tap it. Next, find the Temu app in the list of applications, then tap on it. Once you're on Temu's app info page, tap on Storage or Storage Usage, then carefully clear the cache and then clear data. Remember, clearing data will log you out of your current account. Now open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for a cloning or parallel space app. Download a reputable app cloner, such as Parallel Space or Dual Space. Once downloaded, open the cloning app. Inside the cloning app, select Temu to create a cloned version of the app. This allows you to run two instances of Temu simultaneously, as well as log into a separate account. Open the clone Temu app. Now you can create or log into your new Temu account using a different email address or phone number. And that's it. Follow each of those steps, and you will have a separate Temu account on the same device.